Hey there, Mobile and Baldwin County. I hope everyone fared well in that weather last night and early in the morning. Hope you didn't have too much damage. We made out okay down in Gulf Shores. It got bad for a little bit, but I was headed back south from an inspection in Fairhope, and I just wanted to take a minute. It got my wheels turning about this kind of weather and solar on a roof and how it holds up. I get that question a lot and have over the years, and I just wanted to speak to that for a minute from my actual own personal experience. So probably however long ago Hurricane Michael was, if you guys remember Hurricane Michael over in Mexico Beach, Florida, you remember how catastrophic it was. So I was working for a company at the time, and we did an install on a 2-story roof that sat right on the beach road. Now, it was on the northern side of the beach, but it was still right on the main 98 there in Mexico Beach proper. Took a direct hit from Hurricane Michael. After the storm, we were doing an install down in a new installation down in Apalachicola, and we were passing through there, and I noticed it. Pulled over, took pictures of it, which are on our Facebook page. I have them somewhere, but I'll post them. But I pulled over, took some pictures, and talked to the homeowner. It turns out there were 16 feet of water in the house, so the house ended up being a total loss anyway, covered by insurance, right? But the panels were still in a nice, neat row like we had installed them. Not one had flown off. They had been hit with debris. One was pretty badly damaged. But generally speaking, it would take winds like something we've probably never seen around here to just sheerly rip the panels off of the roof deck. And I grew up with hurricanes in Mobile. I've heard about Hurricane Frederick. Again, Hurricane Michael was one that really set the record straight for me, that these things don't just fly off like that. It just doesn't work like that. It would take a lot stronger winds than we had last night to do damage that way. They are affixed to your rafters. They become a part of the structure, which is why it's covered under homeowners insurance. And if your insurer is not willing to, further insure you if you go solar, we can talk to them. There's ways we can speak with the underwriter and kind of make them feel a little bit better about how we fix these to the roof and how they're not a liability to the greater asset, which is your home. And so, yeah, I just wanted to speak to that for a minute. I think people think that, they would never hold up in a severe hurricane, or they do all the time. They're not going to fly off. If anything, they're going to further protect the roof from any further damage. But yeah, if we had winds that strong, we probably should have all evacuated out of here. So no worries on them flying off the roof. And I'll be sure to post those pictures of that install from after Hurricane Michael came through. But yeah, they're strong. They're on there.